Sal here from Khan Academy. I just wanted to personally thank you for your generous donation to our mission. As you know, we are not for profit with a mission of providing a free world-class education for anyone, anywhere. And we wouldn't be able to deliver on that mission if not for generous folks like yourself. We have ambitious plans. We're already reaching many tens of millions of students, but we think that there are hundreds of millions to billions of students who can benefit from the work that Khan Academy does. And every dollar that you donate translates into many, many, many students getting empowered. It translates into content. It translates into an improved user experience. It translates into our being able to reach the learners of all ages who need to be empowered the most. So thank you so much, not just from myself and not just from the team at Khan Academy, but really from the tens or hundreds of millions of people who are going to benefit from your donation. Thank you.